Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply and use Connects in Upwork. If you're new to the platform or just want to make the most of your experience, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what Connects are. Connects are virtual tokens that freelancers on Upwork use to submit proposals for jobs. When you join Upwork as a freelancer, you'll receive a certain number of free Connects to help you get started. But as you grow your business, you may need to purchase additional Connects to apply for more jobs. Now, let's walk through the process of applying for a job using Connects. Begin by browsing through the job listings on Upwork. Once you find a project that interests you and fits your expertise, click on the job title to read the full description and requirements. Before you apply, make sure you have enough Connects available for the specific job. The number of Connects required to apply for a job is usually displayed next to the Submit a Proposal button. Typically, you'll need 1 to 6 Connects, depending on the job's budget and complexity. To submit your proposal, click on the Submit a Proposal button. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize your proposal to best suit the client's needs. Remember to use your best copywriting skills to convince the client that you're the right fit for the job. Once you've crafted your proposal, you'll see a summary of the Connects you'll be using to apply for the job. Double-check the information, and when you're ready, click on the Submit Proposal button. Your Connects will be deducted automatically, and your proposal will be sent to the client. To manage your Connects, visit your settings page, where you can view your remaining Connects, their expiration date, and purchase additional Connects if needed. Upwork offers various pricing plans that include different amounts of Connects, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Congratulations! You're now ready to apply for jobs and use Connects on Upwork like a pro. Happy bidding, and best of luck in landing your next project.